at the state of my kitchen, also known as Key Sim Towers. We were supposed to be sim only when we started, so there wouldn't have been so much logistics, but there's so many customers that prefer it when we prepare the Teltonika routers, add the sims and do all the programming. We've ended up in this situation where there's just stuff everywhere. It's everywhere. Like, it's everywhere. Most of it's already sold, actually. It just needs preparing. But there's just boxes of gear, like, all over the place. Hey, welcome to Startup Land.